Hi artists, welcome back for a whole new year of art. I'm very excited this year, and you will notice that our room looks a little bit different. So we're going to have our room set up more with choice or open studio time, so I have more centers for us. You'll notice over here we have the collage center, and then the sculpture center is here, same place as last year. And over by the door is the wire center. Again, that's the same as last year. So we've got everything in bins. And if you're working at that center, there'll be some directions to follow, rules, ways that we want the bin to look when you put, things back. Same as last year. This shouldn't be too new for you guys. But when we open up these different centers, I'll have more directions for you. The center that we're going to open this week is the Drawing Center. So we're going to spend some time talking about the Drawing Center and how that functions. Now we're still going to be using the art minion, so as you're sitting with your table groups, you'll tell the art minion or discuss what kind of materials you would like. Whether you want to draw with colored pencils, or if you want to draw with a regular pencil. Maybe you want a variety of materials. And then the art minion can get those things for you. We're going to have little totes that you guys will be using. I thought I had one out. I'll get one. But we're gonna have some totes sitting over here that you could use as shopping baskets. And you can put your supplies in those totes. You can take a couple pencils, these pencils, an eraser, and you're gonna put those in the totes. Take some drawing paper. Again, all the books that we have used last year, how-to draw books and coloring books are here. Calendars for inspiration and other things are here. Things to draw. Please be respectful of the objects in the bin. Only take 2 or 3 back to your table for your classmates to draw if they want to draw something from the bin. You don't have to take anything from the bin. You'll also notice that the marker boxes are here at the Drawing Center this year. They're not in the cubbies. 1 box per table group, all right? Please put the lids on and make sure that all the colors that are in this box stay in this box. No mixing and matching, okay? That way they'll stay organized and everybody will have the same colors. All right, I also have some ideas here of things you can draw. And then I added some new things, like drawing techniques. You could take one of these back to your table, and this gives you examples of how you could use your pencil. Different marks that you could make on your paper to do values. So that is a good thing if you're doing a drawing with values. If you're working with colored pencils, here's some things to try. So you could take one of these sheets. Make sure you put them back if you do take one of those. And then something new to the Drawing Center, Mrs. Williams added texture boards. Most of you guys have had experience with texture rubbings. So if you want to use a texture board, again, 1 board per table group. You can take a container of crayons, and just a way of review, if you put the paper on top of the texture, rub with the crayon, you'll get the different designs. So that's a fun way to add some texture to your drawings. So that's new to our Drawing Center is the texture boards. Other things that you can draw with, artists, we still have our chalk pastels. They're gonna stay here and live in that cubby. Crayons are also an option for you to draw with. They live in this cubby. Remember the rules with the crayon. Open the bin, take one of the containers over here, put some crayons, and then go back to your seat. So that's how that will work. And then for the older students, like 3rd and 4th graders, you guys can use the nice oil pastels. Please open them correctly. Flip this side, flip this side, and then open it. Keep these boxes nice and neat. And then they pull out. Put them back. Close it. Please don't tear the tabs. All right, artists, welcome to our new Drawing Center. I hope you make some masterpieces. I know you will. Have fun.